Why do I do this to myself, yo? Like, who told me to buy all this shit? This is literally too much stuff for one video, but we gonna make it work. Yo, what is good, y'all? I'm back. It's a brand new year. Lots of big things going on for the year 2021. Brand new sneakers, brand new outfits. You should already know who I am by now if you've been keeping up with my content. I am your man, your boy, the kid, King Corday. This is Corday's Closet, and we got a lot of stuff to get into today, y'all. As you can see on the side of me, got a little mountain of packages that we're gonna be unboxing. And before that, I just want to say Happy New Year to you all. This is my first video of 2021. I've been gone for a minute, man. My packages, my parcels have been held up. Things have been delivering slowly. I'm getting everything late, but here we are. We're back again, and I'm ready to get things started. So y'all should already know what to do by now. Kick back, relax, grab some snacks, grab a drink, do whatever it is you're gonna do, and let's get right into this video, man. As I mentioned, we got a bunch of stuff that we're gonna be unboxing today. How much stuff do you ask? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages that we gonna be unboxing today, y'all. 7. Can't even see me, can you? Let me go ahead and take all this down. All right, y'all. I told y'all, man, we got a lot of stuff in storage. So why don't we go ahead and start with the small heat before we get into the large heat. Start with this little pack right here from the good folks at Rope Supply. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it is. Alright, y'all, so as you guys can see right here, we have some replacement laces from Rope Supply, Rope Lace Supply. We have a pair of Vault Yellow laces right here and a pair of Mocha Brown laces right here. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what these laces will be replacing, but pack number 1. Up next, y'all, we got some smaller packages before we get into our other larger parcels. So let's go ahead and open these up, see what we got. But before we do so, we need the trusty cutters. So let's get to cutting. First package is open. See what we got inside. As you guys can see, we got 2 fitted caps from the good folks at Exclusive Fitteds. We have a high yellow, Vault Yellow Florida Marlins fitted cap size 8 right here, and we have a Mocha Brown Chicago White Sox fitted cap size 8 right here. We get into a little more detail on the fitted caps. Nice little side patch on the side. Nice green under brim. I'm really digging this one. This one is super cool. I really like this one. Here's the next one. See, it also has a nice side patch on the side. Has a very nice pink under brim, and I really like this one as well. But I love fitted caps, guys. I have a bunch of them. My collection is pretty crazy. But let's go ahead and open up the next one. Finish off our small packages, I have one last fitted cap. This is from foryoucaps.com. This is a LA Dodgers fitted cap with palm trees on the side and a nice side patch as well. Pink under brim on the bottom, super nice. Let me lay these out for you guys so you can see them all. 3 nice fitted caps that I can add to my collection, and Let's see what else we got. Next up, we have a medium-sized parcel right here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. As you can see, we have some fabrics, a nice little hoodie from the homie KD over at Unfollow Society. See the logo on the front, the smiley face, have some nice details like some bullet holes on the front in a royal blue color. And on the back, some text. We will get more in detail with this a little later. I will be doing a separate review on this. We also got some nice swag from the homie KD as well, some rubber band bracelets, and a nice holographic sticker. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this. Let's get into the big packages, y'all. And don't worry guys, everything that you see in this video, I will put up a link to so that you can go and buy and purchase for yourself. If you are interested, it will be in the description below on this video. Up next, we are going to get into the larger packages that I have, starting with this one. So let's go ahead and get the cutters, get the cutting. So here it is. Might be wondering what's inside this box. This is a collab shoe that came out in 2019 from a Cold Wall and Converse. Let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. Very interesting. I like it. I really like it. This is nice. So guys, if you don't know what this sneaker is, this is a Cold Wall and ERX 260, a collab with Converse. Show you a little more about the shoe, get into a little details of the shoe. Not going to tell you too much about it because I will be doing a separate unboxing and review on this shoe later. But once again, this is a sneaker collab from a Cold Wall and Converse, and it's a really interesting looking shoe. It has a bunch of different fabrics on it, suede on the uppers, nice little translucent outsole, has a nice leather fabric on the inside of the shoe. This is a very interesting sneaker. This is something outside of what I normally buy, so I'm definitely feeling it for the most part. I can't wait to do a separate review and unboxing on this shoe. Up next, y'all, we have another sneaker we're gonna be unboxing, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So guys, as you can see, this is a Nike Dunk box, but this is not an original Nike Dunk box. We're gonna go ahead and peek inside and see what this sneaker is. So let's unbox it. This is the Nike Dunk High Dark Mushroom, and this is a really nice pair of dunks. I really like these. These are in very good condition. I am a sucker for fabrics. This shoe is made in a all over suede nubuck type of material. Even on the Nike swoosh on the side, the black and Nike swoosh is made out of suede. I think this is a really nice shoe. As you can see, the outsoles are in very good condition. The shoe all over looks very well itself. This is from my homie Corey P in one of my Discord groups, and I gotta shout out to the homie. Thank you so much for this pair, yo. He tossed me a good deal for him. Definitely can't wait to do a separate review on these as well. All right, y'all, and last but not least, we got one more box of sneakers to unbox, so let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright y'all, what I've been waiting for this entire time. Super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and put the label up to the camera. This is a Air Jordan 1 box. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got. Hey! Yes, sir. Got this pair super late, but they are still on time. This is the Air Jordan 1 High Volt Gold. Such a nice sneaker. So many different details and fabrics on this sneaker. Caught an L on release day when the sneaker came out on Sneakers app. Wasn't able to get it on Sneakers, but I did not want to miss on this drop, so I slid over to GOAT, and I definitely paid above retail for this shoe, but I don't care because I am glad to have it in hand. Just taking a look at some of the details of this shoe. Has a very soft premium leather around the toe cap of the shoe. Has the reversed labeling on the tongue. Has that Volt yellow color on the heel of the shoe, and I just think this is such a nice sneaker, and I'm super glad to have it. It's in my hands late, but better late than never. So guys, that's gonna do it for my video today. As you can see, had a bunch of stuff I had to unbox, a bunch of stuff that I ordered. Finally, all my packages came in. I still have other things that will be coming in later as well, but I got the majority of the stuff that I've been waiting on. Got 3 pairs of sneakers, got a nice hoodie, 3 pairs of fitted caps, got some nice merch, got some lace replacements, got some cool stickers, and yeah man, I'm super happy. It's 2021. Your boy King Corday is back with a vengeance, man. I'm gonna make sure I'm more consistent with my drops. I was at the mercy of USPS, so everything came in late, but I got everything now, and I just want to make sure I say stay tuned in, you guys, because I got so much more content coming in, man. And I will be doing a separate review on each and every single thing that you see here. These two will be together. This will be matched with something else. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out y'all hair, man. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. I want to say thank you guys so much for always supporting me, always watching my content, always showing love. Make sure you guys go give me a follow over on Instagram at King Corday. You can drop me a line, hit me up anytime. Make sure you also like this video, man. I appreciate the support so much. Make sure you also hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see whenever I drop a brand new video. And until the next one, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out y'all hair so I can go edit. Much love. Thank you to everybody for watching. I am King Corday. This is Corday's Closet. We got a big year ahead of us, y'all, so stay locked in. I love you guys, man. And until the next one, y'all, peace.